10 seconds.
On August 21st, 2001, Progress M45 launched on a Soyuz U rocket from Baikonur Cosmodrome, bound for the ISS.
Engine to the pumps at flight speed. Engines at maximum thrust.
And liftoff. Liftoff of the Progress resupply vehicle bound on a 2-day journey to the International Space Station. Roll, pitch, and yaw program in. Booster parameters are all normal.
Parameters are normal.
First stage engine functioning normally.
Thrusters operating nominally.
The Soyuz booster arcing out to the northeast from the Baikonur Cosmodrome.
Vehicle is stable.
Engineers at the blockhouse in Baikonur report that the vehicle is stable. All engine parameters are normal.
Point.
Two days after launch, Progress M45 approached the station and docked with the aft port of the Zvezda module. The unmanned cargo vessel carried supplies, including food, water, and oxygen for the crew, and equipment for conducting scientific research aboard the International Space Station. 3 weeks after Progress M45 arrived, the Expedition 3 crew member Frank Kerbal took iconic photos and video of the smoke from the World Trade Center towers after they were hit by 2 commercial airliners on September 11, 2001.
Command issued.
3 days after the attack in New York, on September 14, 2001, the PIRS docking compartment was launched from Baikonur. Known as ISS Assembly Mission 4R, the PIRS launch vehicle was a Russian Soyuz U rocket using a modified Progress propulsion module, Progress M-SO1, as the upper stage.
Pitch, roll, and yaw program are in.
After the standard 2-day rendezvous orbit, the 3,580 kilogram docking compartment docked to the nadir port of the Zvezda service module. It would later be configured during 3 spacewalks by the Expedition 3 crew. The PIRS docking compartment was manufactured by RKK Energia and is similar to the docking module used on the Mir space station. The docking compartment's planned lifetime as part of the station was originally slated for just 5 years. The docking port can accommodate 1 Soyuz or 1 Progress spacecraft. Visiting spacecraft can deliver people or cargo to and from the space station. In addition, the docking compartment can transfer fuel to and from fuel tanks of a docked Progress resupply vehicle, either to the Zvezda or the Zarya modules. Also included in the docking compartment are 2 airlocks, which are used for spacewalks, the first one being with Expedition 3 cosmonauts wearing Russian Orlan M spacesuits in October and November of 2001. On October 19, 2001, Soyuz TM-32 undocked from the nadir port of the Zarya to make way for the next Soyuz vehicle, and docked with the PIRS. Soyuz TM-33, the 14th manned mission to the International Space Station, launched on October 21, 2001 on a Soyuz U-launch vehicle at Baikonur. Soyuz TM-33's mission was to carry a short-term crew of 2 Russian and 1 French astronaut with supplies to the International Space Station.
All of their launcher parameters are nominal. Seconds. First stage thrusters are operating nominally. Copy all, launch control, and we are fine. 30 seconds into the flight. Launcher parameters are not.
The team is reporting good first stage performance. The Soyuz delivering 102 tons of thrust from its 4 boosters and single engine. The first stage of the Soyuz measures 68 feet in length and 24 feet in diameter. It is currently burning liquid fuel for the first 2 minutes and 6 seconds.
After the standard 2-day orbit, Soyuz TM-33 approached the station and docked with the nadir port of Zarya on October 23, 2001. This new crew spent 8 days on the ISS, and on October 31st, the crew entered the Soyuz TM-32 and undocked from the PIRS and returned to Earth. Soyuz TM-33 remained docked and served as a lifeboat craft for the Expedition 3 crew. Almost a month after Soyuz TM-32 departed the station, Progress M45, which had been docked with the aft port of Zarya for 3 months, undocked on November 22nd to make way for Progress M17. Progress M17 launched on November 26, 2001 by a Soyuz FG carrier rocket at Baikonur Cosmodrome. Two days later, the spacecraft docked with the aft port of the Zvezda module on November 28th. Progress M17 was unable to establish a hard dock due to debris from Progress M45 that was in the docking port. That debris had to be removed on an unscheduled EVA on December 3rd, after which it was able to establish a hard dock to the station. Progress M17 carried supplies to the International Space Station, including food, water, and oxygen for the crew, and additional equipment for conducting scientific research. It also carried the Calibri 2000 satellite, which it would deploy a few hours after it departed the ISS. The Expedition 3 crew conducted scientific research and long-duration medical experiments, as it waited for the next flight which would bring up the Expedition 4 crew.